learning. I need very
yeah, less aggressive props.
Hey,
Totally, man.
DJI FPV guys. This is what spending money looks like. All of you complaining about the cost of the prices are wild. These are beautiful. Jeff, these are beautiful.
Thank you.
All hydro dipped, beautiful greatness of awesomeness. This is like some showcase builds here, man. You got some crazy stuff going on. No, yeah, it is. There's a ton of money, so there's probably like $8,000 sitting in the back of this truck right now. It's crazy.
I get bored and I don't like it.
Because I'm in Chicago, the winters.
Oh yeah.
I drive the summer, so when I can get to California.
Send it, bro.
Or down south.
Fly 3S.
That's right. We've been flying in this wind. That's right. We've been doing it, right?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Well,
Doesn't.
not me, but...
Well, I mean.
As soon as you start recording, the wind dies
Yeah,
down.
I know.
As soon as
Right?
you go to arm your drum.
Oh wait, no, it's blowing.
Oh, is somebody about to arm?
It's definitely blowing, man. Yeah, you'll tell by the footage. Like I said, we don't run stabilized cameras, so what you guys see is what you get, man. We try not to, we try not to run stabilized footage because it shows you all your little screw ups, and then when you really want to go out and get that stable footage, that's when you put something like this on the air, the Hero 7. You know, but unfortunately, I like to see my hiccups in my movements, so I don't run stabilized footage. So on windy days,
I don't have the money to have a very fancy camera. I don't have a choice, so I just run non-stabilized footage because I don't have money.
right? Well,
But I'll get money someday.
Someday money.
Yeah, I'll win that lottery.
Someday.
I am a drone hobby enthusiast. I would never use my drone in a way that contradicts the drone hobbyist code of conduct.
I don't know what to do!